bring it back. All you skate and even BMX and dirt bike guys, let's bring this back. I bought these shoes for 50 bucks on Amazon. DC's, baby. I am not sponsored, but I'm trying to bring it back. If it starts to come back, just know who did it. We got a couple updates for y'all today. Car guy Josh out here, you know. Got my boy Sean, he's working at Mako, but now I also got my girlfriend, Heaven. She's working at Mako. Sean really set it up and all, but I'm hyped about it, bro. We're a house full of car people now. Fucking bird, though. Fuck. Whatever, he's still working in transportation. It worked. But back to me for a second. Because I'm wearing one of the hats right now. The Ultimate Billy's Garage Co. hats. We got multiple different ones in. And I'm also wearing a hoodie right now. There's nothing on the fronts, but the backs do say Ultimate Billy's Garage Co. That's navy blue. We got gray. We got the reds in here. See, the red I'm wearing's got black lettering on it. That one's got white. This is just a green t-shirt. We got more t-shirts coming. We got different hoodies with fronts on them coming. Different custom fronts. And we got different colored hoodies coming. We got different colored hats coming. Because we got some right here. I like the grays and blues. I'm probably going to keep one of them for me. We got red and black. The orange and gray. And the black and white. Alright, so this is a crazy cool pickup that I just came across and grabbed up. We got, they're repops, they're not originals, just by the way. But we still have the 2 World Industries deck. We got Flame Boy and Wet Willie, 2 really cool ones. And then we got the 3 toy machines. David's gonna pick up the World Industries decks. And I'm gonna have the toy machines. I mean, this just brings back memories. Be sure to check out JC Sykes on Facebook, Marketplace, whatever. He ships out and he meets in person. I met him in person, but he's a little far, so if I wanted anything else, I'm probably gonna have him start shipping them to me because he's definitely a cool guy and he's legit. These things are awesome. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, Flame Boy, it don't get no more retro than that. Not even retro, it just doesn't even get no more nostalgic than that right there. Wet Willie too, but not as many people had them, I don't think. Toy machines though, I mean, I only had these things as tech decks. I've never even seen them in real life for real. Now I got 3 of them. If y'all want to, we'll check out the backs. World Industries blue on Flame Boy. It'd be cool if it was blue on this one. Switch them out. That would have been cool. What do we got? Oh, that's kind of... I didn't even peep it. I haven't even looked at them like that. I've just seen that they were in good condition, still wrapped and stuff, and y'all let me know. It's like, yup, I'll take it. Dude, that's so brutal. Sick. I've recently been getting into skateboard decks, mostly because of a deal I came across for some toy machine deck, not including this one. The original deal included Flame Boy and a Wet Willie and these 3 toy machines. These are the 3 toy machines that I wanted, and I hung them up like immediately. And then I needed some space to fill, and I had this thing from when I was younger, and he was able to pull that for me. So I bought the other toy machine, and the Rock is killing. This is the back side of the toy machine. You know, first supper sheet. We got the Almost decks. This one was Cooper Wiltz. And I'm not gonna be able to pronounce this guy's name, so I'll just show y'all. Yep, don't know how to pronounce that. And then over here we got 3 of a 4-part series of the Element, like Egypt. I forget what they're really called. It's like an Egyptian art kind of thing. I like the orange on the back of that one. And then here's my deck that I've had since I was younger. I had no idea anything about it other than it was a Girl Anderson board. Now I know it is worth an alright bit of money. The Rock is King is a Rodney Mullen almost board. I had this as a tech deck when I was younger. Yes, sir. Great condition, all of them, besides my old school one. If you guys can give me any more info on this deck, it's an Earth Spirits, No Religion, Brian Anderson Girl deck. And I haven't been able to find much more than a couple pictures and out of stock sales online. Let me know in the comments. Honestly, if you have any cool info on any of the decks, go ahead and let me know in the comments. But especially that one, that Girl Anderson. And these are cool too. If you got any backstory on the artist or anything, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Alright, since I got y'all a little into the skateboards, let's get into my longboards that I got. Really, this is mine, and I've had it for a long time. Oh, they're going down, they're going down. Got it. This one's mine. I've had it for a long time. It's an Earthwing. I don't know if that's anything special, if it's a good brand, bad brand, whatever, but it's the best riding longboard that I've ever ridden. And that's all facts, no cap. I don't know what brand. What's that say? EOIO something. I don't even know. I don't know what brand that is. Let's see if I can get the... Yep. Don't know what brand wheels it are. Don't know what brand bearings. Don't know what brand trucks. Just know it's an Earthwing deck. And it's a little dry rotted and beat up. And then this was Carly's. Shout out Carly and Jared. This is a Sector 9 deck. I don't know what kind of trucks and I don't know what kind of wheels. The trucks are Gullwing Mission 1 trucks. On the Earthwing, they're Neil carvers for Gullwing. Oh, both Gullwing, I guess. 1993 Sector 9. Since 1993. It's not a 93 deck, but the wheels light up. They're pretty. It's cool. Cool deck. Oh shit. I got the fourth one. I got the fourth Lemoore Egyptian Element deck. It only was sold as a complete one. And here's the trucks and wheels, brand new. I also came home to a package. Another skateboard deck. Santa Cruz, baby. Santa Cruz. And I don't know if I showed y'all this one yet. I got the old school Baker. Like I said, most of these are repops, but I don't care. I like them. And if you like what you've seen on this video, comment. Tell us what you liked. Tell us what you want to see more of. I'll make that shit happen. That's basically all though. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. You know, go check out the other pages. Let's get it popping.